In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. This straightforward process takes just a few minutes and can greatly enhance your inventory management capabilities. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Zoho and hit Enter. Among the search results, you'll want to select either the first link or the one that has zoho.com as its URL. This will take you to the Zoho homepage. Once there, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to sign up, which is a simple process that walks you through entering some basic information. After accessing your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it to access the main settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Items under the Preferences section. Select this to proceed into your inventory settings. Here, scroll down until you find the General section. Within this section, there's a crucial option: Enable Inventory Tracking. Make sure this box is checked, as it will activate the inventory tracking capabilities within Zoho Books. Once you've enabled inventory tracking, you'll need to enter the inventory start date. This date is important as it indicates from when you want to begin tracking your stock levels. Choose a date that fits your business timeline and proceed. After setting the start date, click the Save button to apply your changes. This ensures that all your adjustments are recorded and your inventory tracking is now activated. Now, navigate over to the Items module, which you'll find on the left sidebar of your screen. Click on it, and then select Items from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a page that displays all your previously entered items, if any. To add new stock, locate the Plus New button situated at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will open a new form where you can enter detailed information about the item you're adding. Start by filling in the primary details of the item, such as its name and classification as a goods or service. You'll also need to provide the unit, selling price, and purchase price. Additionally, be sure to check the box Track Inventory for this item. This ensures the stock levels are monitored within your account. You'll need to specify further inventory details like the inventory account, which typically defaults to Inventory Asset. You also have the option to set a reorder point. This is an optional feature to alert you with a notification when the stock runs low. Further down, you'll enter Opening Stock, which indicates the quantity of the item you currently have at the start of this tracking period, and the opening stock rate per unit, which reflects the average cost at which you bought the initial stock. Finally, confirm all the entered information is correct, and click the Save button to store your new inventory item in Zoho Books. Congratulations, you've successfully added stock to your Zoho Books account.